Hello, and welcome to a tour of our course, our online course. So I've already gone into a student preview mode so that it looks the way it should look for you. When you go to eCampus and sign in, you should be able to access our course. Once you access our course, Biology 1408, you will be directed to our home page. We've got this picture here. It says Biology 1408 and it has a microscope and DNA. Perfect. There's a few things that'll show up on this home page. So we have a couple sections over here on the left. The first is going to be our general information. You can find our syllabus, your grades, some resources that El Centro/Dallas College has available to you. This is going to be technical help for Blackboard and then some tools. Then when you scroll down, you'll see that I have a separate section for lecture and lab. So the first section of lecture is Unit 1. So when you click on Unit 1, you'll be taken to a screen where every week I will have objectives. So these are going to be things that you should be able to do by the end of the week, and a checklist. So this checklist right now needs to be updated because it says 2 videos, but there's actually 4 videos. So we're going to have that going on, and we have, no. Welcome to a tour of our course, our online home. Once you've gotten into Blackboard, you will be able to select the Biology 1408 course. I've already entered the student preview mode so that this should look like what it looks like for you. I have a bunch of things over here on the left. We're going to start in this general information section. You can click on syllabus to get to our course syllabus. Hopefully you've already read it. You can click this and download it, print it if you like, or just save it on your computer. Let's go here and learn a little bit about me. My name is Allison Martin. I got my Bachelor's of Science in Biology with an option to teach from the University of Texas at Austin. Immediately upon graduating from undergrad, I taught high school science, mostly physics, but also aquatic science, which is kind of like marine biology. And I also taught some biology. I taught geology, meteorology, oceanography, basically have taught everything except for chemistry. So I taught high school science for 5 years, and then I moved to California, and that's where I got my Master's of Science in Biology. My concentration was ecology, evolution, and conservation. I got that at California State University in Sacramento. My research, however, was in biology education. So I was learning and studying how to best teach biology and how to best retain students in biology so that we don't have people who drop out of the sciences, particularly those that are underrepresented in the sciences, like men and women of color and women in particular. Things that I love are my family. I have a husband, 2 sons, and we have a dog named Beaker because we are both nerdy scientists. I like to bake and eat. I like ice cream, which is more eating. And of course, I really love science. And what I love the most about science is being able to talk to other people about it. So that's why I love teaching. So that's enough about me. Let me show you some more stuff over here. In your general information, you can find your grades. These are going to be campus resources. This is going to be IT help or technical help for Blackboard and tools. I'll have a lecture section and a lab section. In the lecture section, there's going to be sections for each unit that we go through, so for each exam. Every week I'll have objectives, which are what you should learn by the end of the week. And I'll have a checklist of things for you to do, like watching videos, reading the chapter, doing the assignments. So here is an example. I've got the PowerPoint for this week. I have 3 lecture videos up. These are linked to my YouTube channel. And the lab section you can click on. We've got lab materials. I have a folder for lab 1 here, and it also is going to have objectives and a checklist. This week you've got some videos to watch, a lab assignment to do, and a lab quiz to do. And then the exciting part over here about our book, you can access the book through here. There's a couple of different ways. So you can click here on the learning materials and you'll see the ebook is available there. You can also click on Mastering Assignments and you'll get here. So in the Mastering Assignments section, you'll click this one, Mastering Biology Course Home, to get to each weekly assignment. It's going to open in a new page and it's going to ask you to agree to something. So you can accept that, the user license and agreement. And then you'll see what assignments are coming up. So this week you need to do the Introductory to Mastering Biology for Non-Majors. So it's just going to kind of walk you through the homework system. And then you'll do the Best of Chapter 1 assignment. Let me go back this way. You can also access your scores. You can access the textbook here. And there are a few other things that you might like to look through, particularly if you do not like an ebook and you'd like to purchase a physical book, you can do so by clicking here. It costs $69.99, $59.99. So it's not cheap, but if you want a physical copy, you can get one. And then you can also get quickly to each chapter by clicking this link here, Biology Life on Earth eText chapter links. So instead of having to go click on that one thing and then click on the book, you can just go here and say, I just want to read chapter 1 because that's what we're doing this week. And it'll launch that for you pretty quickly. It's taking a little bit of time. It's making me agree. And voila. Sorry it took so long to load. So it talks to you about how to look through the book. It shows you everything that's available. And there are some ways to take notes and study. You can just click on everything as you go. So quick links there. That is the short and sweet course tour. I'm looking forward to seeing you at our discussion sessions this week. They are optional. They're live, so they will be recorded. Oh, if you want to come to a discussion session, then what you do is you would click this link over here that says Collaborate when it's time to join. And then you click the course room and you would click Join Course Room. If you haven't used Collaborate before, it will open up a room for you. And once this loads, it's going to tell me I am the only person in the room. Hopefully y'all will join for the discussion session. Looking forward to it.